I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. We're going to do this pasta salad that is simple and easy and really nice to serve with barbecue.
You need to go to a potluck. You can just make it so fast.
Yeah. So we're going to be using
I'm going to start
fresh,
chopping.
yeah, fresh and freeze-dried. So, oops, wrong one.
We'll do the combination. Then you get a bit of crunchy and then a bit of, and we pre-cooked the pasta, so it's all ready to go.
And I'm just going to refresh this a little bit. The corn is probably the longest to refresh in comparison to the other ingredients that we're going to place.
Well, because we're just doing it with cold water too. Whereas if you want it refreshed faster, you just add hot water.
Yep.
But we have time.
We do. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna add, let me see here, I'm gonna add some onions.
I sure don't chop very much.
No, this makes it so convenient, doesn't it? Okay, I love the green onions. I use these in egg salad sandwiches, and I can just put a few there. I didn't need to chop a thing, which is awesome.
I'll add these in there too.
And a few chunks of spinach. We're going to throw a few cranberry seeds in here. And we're going to add the pasta.
And choose any dressing that you like. We just have a raspberry vinaigrette dressing, but we just
That looks delicious.
And you really just pick any veggies that you like, sprinkle it in, and then it's really that fast. Very low prep, and there you go, a quick pasta salad for a potluck or a barbecue.
So if you have any suggestions, comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, do that.
And make sure to hit the notification bell so that you can find out when we post new videos. Thanks for joining our...
Thank you for joining us. And we will see you next time. And remember, you can do this too.